Good morning, one and all. Myself, Dr. Amirullah Fandoli, and I'm giving a workshop on problem solving and ideation process. It is a suit that takes you and your group through a comprehensive and highly effective problem solving process. This is the session structure. Next thing, the objective of the workshop, why we are conducting, to generate a list of highly creative ideas to a shared challenge. The common challenge for all people. To systematically select the best idea and conduct initial feasibility studies about that particular idea, and to help people mobilize their creative thinking skills. So this is the objective of the workshop. When we have to use the idea, when we are looking for breakthrough thinking or the next big thing, for example, something going on in the world, we want to make it update, or we want to make some new creations. So at that time, your idea have to be utilized. When you want to help people to postpone their judgments and look for alternative ideas, and when you want to stop people thinking too seriously about a particular challenge. So this is the correct time to utilize your idea. We make one creative problem solving process. You can see here. The first thing is how to generate idea. For that purpose, we make one ABCD avalanche here. I'll show it in next slide. And how to expand our idea. And for example, if I'm getting several ideas, how to select the best idea among the several ideas. And next thing is the feasibility of that particular idea. For that purpose, we make one PPCO process. You can see in next slide that PPCO process. So the next is ABC avalanche. What is ABC avalanche actually? It is the write down the central questions. For example, if some questions arising in our mind, the main question should be write down on a paper. Second thing, the letters of the alphabet in 2 columns we have to write. For example, A, B, C, D, like this in this manner. And by thinking that we can make or we can generate many ideas, and we have to sort them by their first letter. For example, an idea coming from alphabet A, then I am keeping it at first. Idea coming alphabet Z, then I am keeping at the last. This is the process. We have to make your ideas in this process. For example, idea arising with alphabet A with